Mutual inductance of two concentric coils of different radii. Suppose this is the one coil and this is the other coil. Both these two coils have the same center, so they are concentric. Suppose the inner coil is named S1 and outer coil is named S2. SC2, and radius of the inner coil is suppose R1 and outer coil is R2. So R1 and R2 are the radii of coil C1 and C2. Now suppose if I2 current flows through the coil C2, then magnetic field at the center here, at the center of the coil C1, then this will be equals to B2 equals to, remember the formula, that is mu naught by 4 pi into 2 pi the current flowing through this I2 by the distance from here to here. This is R2. This is the magnetic field at the center of this, you may say C2 or C1 both. So C1 has the small radius than this. So definitely magnetic field B2 is constant over this area of C1. So now we are going to find out the magnetic flux linked with this coil C1. Suppose it is phi 1. So phi 1 equals to BA. This equals to magnetic flux at this point is B2 and area of this coil C1 A1. So value of B2 is, from here we can write mu naught by 4 pi 2 pi I2 by R2 into area of the first coil, this C1. This equals to pi R1 square. This is the phi 1. This can be written as mu naught by 4 pi. Now 2 pi square, this pi and this pi, 2 pi square, this is I2. Here now R and R1. Yes, this is the R here for this coil R2. This by R2 into R1 square. So we can write R1 square here and I2 here. So we know here that if M12, this is, be the mutual inductance of coil C1 with respect to coil this C2. So we can say phi 1, according to definition, phi 1 equals to M12 into current which is flowing through this I2. Comparing this equation and this equation, we can say this M12 is equals to, this I2 will be cancelled. This is mu naught by 4 pi. This is 2 pi square R1 square by R2. This is the mutual inductance. Similarly, we can say if current flowing through this C1, I1 current, then what will be the mutual inductance of this C2 with respect to this? So here we can say M21 is equals to mu naught by 4 pi, this is 2 pi square R2 square by R1. So thank you very much.